small container, old charging module, now this will be our negative output, this will be our positive output. This both will be for plus and minus of our USB cable. So this is our negative and this is our positive. We'll cut our other wires. Now this both will be like this, but before that we have to make hole for our container for our wire. Like this we'll make a hole. Now we'll solder here. So we had soldered the wires here. Now we'll keep here. So we had screwed it. Now we'll connect this both to our positive, red to our positive and black to negative. We'll connect it. So I have soldered these wires, both wires. This is positive and this is negative. We'll use a piece of red rubber tape for indicating that it's positive. So we had connected wires to this nut and bolt. Now we'll keep hot glue. We'll make holes for our both lights. It will be like this. fold. Now we'll keep cable tie. We had fixed our cable tie. Now we'll keep hot glue for everything and we'll fix inside. So it is completed. This is positive, this is negative. We kept a rubber tape piece here. Now we'll test it. Five-volt adapter. You can check the light. Both the lights are on because no battery is connected here. If the battery is fully charged, it shows the blue color. You can check the voltage. It's showing 4.10. This is lithium battery. We'll connect it to positive and negative to negative. We'll connect this. So I have connected both. Now we'll on this. You check the light. It's coming red, means this battery is not charged fully. After the battery gets fully charged, it will get blue light, so you can remove the battery that time. Friends, before leaving this video, please like this video and subscribe to NG Experiments if you are new. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye. This is made by Naga sheshadri from 9th class.